For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you considering upgrading to a new smartwatch? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8/N, but here's what surprised me. It's not just another fancy timepiece, but a comprehensive health and fitness companion that seamlessly integrates with your daily routine. /N Therefore, I'm about to debunk some common misconceptions about this watch and reveal its hidden gems. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek design of the Galaxy Watch 8. It's available in 3 different sizes, 40, 44, and 46. This means you can choose the one that fits your wrist perfectly. /N But what I found interesting was that the larger size doesn't just look bigger, it also packs more punch when it comes to battery life. /N Therefore, if you're someone who's always on the go, you'll appreciate the extra juice this watch has to offer. Now let's dive into some of the key features that make this watch stand out from the competition. The Galaxy Watch 8 boasts a vibrant 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display that's perfect for reading notifications and tracking your fitness goals. /N However, what really caught my attention was the inclusion of ECG, electrocardiogram monitoring. /N There's nothing more reassuring than having a vital tool at your fingertips to monitor your heart health. But here's where things get even more interesting. The Galaxy Watch 8 comes with an impressive array of fitness tracking features, including GPS, accelerometer, and gyroscope. /N Therefore, whether you're running, cycling, or hiking, this watch has got your back, or rather, your wrist. /N The integration with Samsung Health is seamless, allowing you to track your progress and set realistic goals. Another key aspect of the Galaxy Watch 8 is its compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. This means that no matter what smartphone you use, you can still experience all the features this watch has to offer. /N But what's even more impressive is that it also supports multiple phone pairing, so you can switch between devices seamlessly. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, isn't this just another smartwatch with a fancy design? But trust me, there's more to the Galaxy Watch 8 than meets the eye. /N Therefore, let's explore some of its hidden features that'll change the way you interact with your watch. One feature that stands out is Bixby Voice Assistant. It's not just limited to basic commands, it can also perform complex tasks like sending texts and making calls. /N The integration with Samsung's AI technology means that this watch learns your habits and adapts to your needs over time. But what really impressed me was the inclusion of music storage and playback directly on the watch. /N There's no need to carry a separate MP3 player or phone. Just sync your favorite tunes and enjoy them whenever, wherever. The Galaxy Watch 8 also boasts an impressive water resistance rating of up to 50 meters. This means you can wear it while swimming laps, surfing, or even scuba diving, perfect for the thrill seekers out there. /N However, what's more important is the peace of mind that comes with knowing your watch can withstand the elements. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is a game changer in the world of smartwatches. It offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and innovation that sets it apart from its competitors. /N Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable companion to enhance your fitness journey and daily life, look no further than this incredible watch. For the best price, click the link in the description.